Well, early this morning, we see a little bit of activity moving through the area. In fact, still seeing some winter alerts in effect for portions of our area. Looks like all of Lee and DeKalb County still under that winter weather advisory. Doesn't expire until 6 p.m. as we are seeing a potential for a couple of inches to accumulate, especially areas south of I-88. Likely to also see some slick spots across the roadways across all of northern Illinois, even if you are not in these counties. So looking at satellite and radar as of right now, seeing returns across the entire area, but still seeing that dry air in play further northwest, so not seeing a whole lot of activity just yet. As of right now, we are seeing some lighter snow further south of the state line, so may end up seeing a little bit of snowfall early on. May take just a little bit longer for some of that accumulation to start happening in portions of our area as well. So tracking through the rest of the morning, you'll end up seeing a little bit of activity for at least the first half, and some areas might see that snow slowly starting to wrap up early afternoon as that dry air still is in play for some of us, and just cloud cover will be left behind as the system exits into the evening hours. And notice your temperatures don't warm up a whole lot, only reaching into the teens as we track into the heart of the afternoon. So panning this all out on Future Track, we are going to end up seeing the heavier amounts a little bit further. So that's where you are going to see that light to moderate snowfall, a little bit lighter the closer you go up north. And as we track through the rest of the morning, likely to see even potentially lighter snow to just some flurries further northwest. Even closer into the early afternoon, a lot of this slowly starts to push away. Might just end up seeing flurries across the entire area as this entire system leaves us into the evening hours, just leaving behind some of that cloud cover. So in terms of those snow totals, we are going to end up seeing, again, the heavier amounts further south that you go, especially south of I-88 is where we see that tight gradient of that snowfall. So might pick up anywhere from just 1 to closer to 4, if not slightly over of inches. And we are going to see lesser amounts the further northwest that you go, perhaps just to dusting into places like Stevenson County. So for today, those snow showers you might see early this morning. Keep that in mind for that morning commute. Might run into some slick spots. Temperatures only warming into the teens with the snow ending by the evening. And into tonight, we are going to stay dry, just cloudy and much cooler. Temperatures falling into the single digits, I should say, with your wind chills also falling slightly below zero for a bitter cold night ahead. So we are going to keep those cooler conditions with us for the remainder of our week after that activity exits. Staying dry for a majority of this forecast, a very slight chance to potentially see some flurries into tomorrow. And for your most accurate 10-day forecast, we are going to see dry conditions stick with us with the return of that sunshine as early as Friday.